Hi friends, it's been a delight sharing with you various strategies or let's say features for options trading. And today I have yet another feature or let's say tool that I want to talk about which helps options traders, especially if you are trading in commodities. Today on the Dhan platform, I will show you something called the custom strategy builder, and we will use it for commodities. There is a special app called Options Trader by Dhan where I have already logged in, and once logged in, this is the screen you see. If I go down below, there is a strategy tab under which I can see the builder option. Now by default my equity segments show up on the top and you can see Nifty 50 is selected, but I will go and look at commodities by clicking search above over here. So I'll go in here and say I will search for silver. Now I can see silver June futures showing up over here. I can add them, and by default a strategy has been loaded. So a default strategy has been loaded over here. I can track the live market price here, and this is the custom strategy builder. Let's go into it one by one. First up, you have your strategy here. There is leg 1 and leg 2 already added. The pricing is here, the option price is here. You can choose how many lots do you want for each leg separately, or below you can have your entire strategy also broken into lots. So if over here, if this is one lot, you can just double the entire order amount for all the legs above. Now, if I want to add a new leg, I can do that manually over here at the bottom. And if I want to analyze the strategy in detail, I have the payoff graph right here. If I click on payoff over here, it gives me a visual representation of how this could go down, and I can also click more over here to simulate how this payoff graph will change if the price changes. For example, today is 29th of May. Let's say 2 days ahead, I am predicting or I am analyzing that the price will go slightly up. How does my payoff graph get impacted with this? That's something I can see here. I can just scroll down and look at what my PNL will look like. So this payoff graph helps with all your simulations. You also have your charts over here along with your Greeks right here at the bottom. You can also look at multi-strike OI view over here. And if you like, you can also directly proceed to order execution from here. Now, this is the default strategy that loaded. What if I want a different strategy? You can go to pre-built over here, and depending on what's your view of the market, non-directional, any directional are the two options over here. I'll also show you bullish and bearish options showing up in some cases. And if I select any one of these, I can see strategies which are ready built, and I can change the expiry dates as well if I wish to. So there is a ready strategy here, which is a short strangle. I can again look at the max profit and max loss over here, take the strategy into the builder, or execute the trade right from here. Now to look at more options under this, I'll go back to builder, and instead of silver, say I will select natural gas. Now within natural gas, if I go back to pre-built as an option, you will notice that I have several more pre-built strategies here for natural gas, and I can say under a bearish view, I can look at a bear call spread over here, and within that again I have 6 different strategies, all of which have a different profit and loss table, and I can click on more over here to look at the max profit and the max loss chart right here. If I want to go ahead with the strategy or tweak it, I could just click C in builder and go to the builder and look at this strategy again, and just look at the payoff graph, do the simulations, or look at the charts again before I proceed to execution. Now I have an option to either go with delivery or intraday option over here for all of these trades. Remember, if you are going with intraday, you better square off your positions yourself before the cutoff time. My margin requirements also show up over here, and if additional money is required, I have an option to top it up right here. So if you're a commodities trader, I hope this custom strategy builder is useful to you, and I would wait for your comments below on this.